Kane at Talladega. Off the turn 4, Kane looks inside. Reed protecting that double yellow line. 3 wide as they come to the tri-oval behind him. Reed looking for the checkers. He's going to get his second career victory at Daytona.
All right, Xfinity Series. Ryan Reed just won, second year in a row. Or second win. I think he won in 2015. Alrighty, folks. Mike's metal detecting here. Some of you know from my last video, I got some pay dirt from Roaring Camp Mining Company at roaringcampgold.com. It's a 15-pound bag of pay dirt. That was taxes and shipping. It was $68 almost, 67 something. I just got done panning it. Let's take a look, see what I got. That's a silver dime I found last year. But those are the nuggets, or the little tiny flakes, and those are the 2 big nuggets. This one sounds heavy though when you drop it. But let's weigh it up and see how much it is. Alright, here we go. It is 0.9 grams. Or 0.03 troy ounces. Alright, let's calculate it up and see how much that is. Alrighty, just so you can see, I zeroed this out with the paper thing on it. I'm going to pour the gold on it right now. That's a good chunk. As you can see, it's 0.3 troy ounces. 0.03, I'm sorry. So let's come on over to here. My calculator. Last known price was $1,230 a troy ounce. And we'll times that by 0.03 troy ounces. And we got $36.90 worth of gold. $68 I paid for it. So that's not too bad. I spent about 30 bucks. But me and my daughter had fun panning it. We had a good time. And that was the result. So I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to get, the $40 worth of gold out of your $68 bag. But it was a lot of fun. Alright, y'all take care. Have a good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I got to go to work tomorrow. That's Sunday. Have fun. Later.